Is your LG gaming monitor acting up? Wondering how to fix an LG gaming monitor and get back into the game? LG is renowned for crafting high-quality gaming displays, but like any tech, it can occasionally experience hiccups. Whether you're facing flickering, connectivity issues, or display errors, few troubleshooting steps can often resolve these problems. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix an LG gaming monitor, ensuring you can seamlessly return to your gaming adventure. Step 1. Check physical connections. Start by inspecting all the physical connections. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI or DisplayPort cables to ensure they're tightly and correctly inserted. Check the power cable and make sure it's securely connected to both the monitor and the power outlet. Sometimes a loose connection can be the primary culprit behind the display issues. Step 2. Adjust monitor settings. Next, access the monitor's on-screen display menu. Use the physical buttons on your monitor to navigate through the settings. Verify that the correct input source is selected. This is particularly essential if you have multiple devices connected. Also, check for any enabling of game mode or specific display presets that might improve performance. Step 3. Update drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause several display issues. Head over to your PC settings and check for any updates under the Display Adapter section. Alternatively, visit LG's official website and search for driver updates for your specific monitor model. Install any available updates, restart your computer, and see if the issue is resolved. Step 4. Test with another device. To determine whether the problem lies with your monitor or the connected device, plug your monitor into a different computer or gaming console. If the monitor works perfectly with another device, the issue might be with the original source device or connection settings. Conversely, if the monitor still doesn't function properly, it could be an internal issue with the monitor itself. Step 5. Factory reset the monitor. If none of the previous steps have fixed your LG gaming monitor, consider performing a factory reset. Access the OSD menu, locate the reset option, and follow the steps to restore the monitor to its original settings. This can often resolve glitches resulting from incorrect configuration. Fixing an LG gaming monitor doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, checking connections, adjusting settings, updating drivers, testing with other devices, and performing a factory reset, you can often identify and resolve the issue on your own. If your monitor continues to experience problems, it might be time to contact LG support for professional assistance. Remember to handle all connections and resettlements carefully to prevent further damage. With these tips on how to fix an LG gaming monitor, you'll be back to enjoying your gaming sessions in no time. Happy gaming!